to tell you where I got all of my items. So the chair and the ottoman, I got those off of Amazon. It was a package deal. It came with a chair and ottoman. The florals came from Dollar General or Family Dollar. I already had the vase. This side table, it came from the At Home store. The throw here, it also came from the At Home store. Let's see. Yes, that came from the At Home Goods. I keep saying At Home store. Came from Home Goods, as well as the table. It also came from Home Goods. So over here, so the nightstand, the bed, and the dresser, they all came from Babcock Furniture as a set. I know not a lot of people like a matchy set, but I wanted it in the set. It was a better price. The mirror tissue box, that was a DIY on my channel. The lamps, I caught the lamps with the gold base. I locked up and got those at Walmart's for $15 each. The mirrors actually came from, let's see, the mirrors came from Temu, but they were shipped through Amazon. So the mirrors came from Temu, shipped through Amazon. The florals, so the vase came from Roses. The vase was $5. I already had the floral picks, the peonies, which came from Amazon. I've had those for a couple years. I bought like a lot of different colors because I love peonies. On here on my bedside, I just have a tray which came from Dollar General. The glass was just a glass I already had. The water carafe was actually a vase from the Dollar Tree, a bowl from the Dollar Tree, and I just glued a knob on there. Now the bedding, I already had the sheets. The beddings came from Home Goods. I got this for 25% off. I love the details on there. Looks a little bit like flowers. So I love that. It came with the comforter, 2 shams, and 2 throw pillows. The black pillows are actually pillow covers that I've already had. The throw is a throw that I had, and I used it over the Christmas holidays. I love the way that looks. Over here on this table, I just have another tray that I picked up from Dollar General as well. I just placed this black tray here and put some of my jewelry in, like some little aroma thingy. I don't know what that's called. I can't remember. Diffuser type thing. And here I have the same type of vase and florals and just a little stand for my Apple Watch, phone, and earbuds. Same thing, another lamp, which I got from Walmart. Here, so this wall art, I actually got the wall art insert from Five and Below. I actually had those for a couple years. Thought they would look perfect in here. The frame I got from Walmart, but the picture itself, Five and Below. The picture light, that came from Amazon. Now these curtains, black with the gray leaf detail. I picked these up at Ollie's some years ago, and I've had them. I just transfer them from one room to another, and they were actually packed up for a while. I thought they fit in perfectly here. The shears, they came from Home Goods, a set of two. They're the 96-inch, what they go all the way down to the floor. The ottoman, I picked that up on Facebook Marketplace, had it for a couple years, and I placed the same picture over here on this side. The plant, I got it from Amazon. It came into a pack of 2. Lucked up on these flower pots, which it's 2 flower pots, and I just put one on top of the other. Thought the black and white blended in well. I got these for $3 each from Family Dollar. This stand here, I picked up the stand. It was a pack of 2 from Amazon. All the decor pieces, I've had those all for many, many years, as well as the elephant here, had it for a couple years. This is my Bluetooth speaker. I just sat it on a little shelf that I picked up at Roses as well. I thought that that was the perfect fit to put my Bluetooth. I love to play music in here when I'm cleaning the bedroom and the bathroom. Here, this elephant and this ginger jar. I picked those both up at Ross earlier in the year. Same thing for this stand. I've already had all the pieces on this stand, except for this. I did show a haul where this is actually a hanging light cover, and I just added a candle in there that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. So this is my master bedroom tour. Oh, and lastly, you remember the clock. I picked up the gold clock from Ross as well, and I do have a shopping haul on that video. The wallpaper came from Amazon. It's really nice. It was really easy to put up, but I do see that I need to spread out some of the lines a little smoother. I'll get a squeegee for that. But guys, this is my master bedroom tour. I hope you guys enjoy. Hope you guys got some inspiration. I absolutely love it. And as I always say, smooches, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. I love you so much.